Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you an easy glam coffee date makeup look, and for this look, I used all the products from Sugar Cosmetics. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So at first, to hydrate my skin, I'm going to use the Hyaluronic Serum from their Alcoholic range, and it's a very lightweight serum. It is very much hydrating and absorbs into the skin completely. Next, I'm going to use the Alcoholic Hydrating Primer. It's another hydrating product, and at the same time, it blur out the pores and prepare a smooth blank canvas for the base makeup. Next, I'm going to use the Purplle BB Cushion Foundation. My shade is Tan Latte, and guys, it's a lightweight foundation and will give you a natural finish. To hide my under eye area, I'm going to use the concealer, and my shade is a 12 Corn Lychee. And guys, this is one of my favorite products from Sugar Cosmetics. Now I'm going to use the Contour Deforce Palette 01 to contour my face and nose, and I'm also using the blush from the same palette. So my base makeup is done, and now I'm going to set everything using this Grand Final Setting Mist, and this is the dewy mist, and it will give you dewy glowy finish, and I love it. For my brows, I'm using Sugar Brow Powder, and guys, I'm in the shade 04, and I think this is the perfect shade for my brows. And this brow powder is water resistant and transfer proof. For my eyes, I'm going to use Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette 03, and I'm going to apply the Mutated Burgundy shade all over on my crease, and this heavy dirty black cool kajal on my eyelid, and then just I'm going to blend both the product. Next, I'm going to apply this double matte eyeliner in the shade black, and also I'm going to apply this deep plum shimmer eyeshadow from the same palette all over on my eyelid. And for my lower lash line, I'm applying this kohl little bit and smudge it with the help of a brush. I'm also applying this Lash Mauve Limitless mascara to give an extra volume to my lashes. Now I'm going to apply the highlighter shade from the same Contour Deforce palette to highlight my face a little bit. For my lips, I'm using 2 matte as hell crayon, and at first I'm going to apply the shade 12 Baby House Matte outside of my lips and the shade 09 Princess Peach in the center, and it will give me a gradient look. So I'm ready for the coffee date, and that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoying this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.